No excuses for malevolent thoughts. Unveiled under the shelter of law. Don't seek any excuses for your malevolent thoughts. Regardless of your location, no region or country will forgive the actions driven by malevolent thoughts. The legal systems across nations are designed to sternly punish and restrain the emergence of this dark force. Malevolent thoughts know no borders and transcend cultural differences. No matter where you are, the law will be the unforgiving judge, sparing no one from accountability. The legal constraints in society exist to protect every individual from the infringement of actions fueled by malevolent thoughts. Finding excuses is self-deception. Malevolent thoughts cannot find reasonable justifications. Whether in any country or region, the rule of law stands as a formidable fortress to protect social order and individual rights. Indulging in actions driven by malevolent thoughts will face the punishment of the legal system, and the sword of legal justice will never hesitate.